Hey guys, today I'm going to be making like a bead slime. So the materials that I'm using are obviously glue. You can use food coloring too if you want, but I'm not gonna because I have no more food coloring except for yellow. And you know, no one likes yellow. I'm going to be obviously using beads. I got beads in this container. I got some beads. I got contact solution, and I have this shaving cream. Hold on a second, guys. I'll be right back. It's so cold. I just can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. I need to go get a blanket. So yeah. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna move my whole setup. Move the phone right here. Put the glue right here. Nope, keep the glue there. Move this here so that you guys can see better. Okay. Everything down. Tiny bit. Down. Okay, so first things first, we're obviously going to put the glue in. Okay, that's a lot. I could have already tell that this is gonna be a big slime because I just put way too much in on accident. Because this bowl is bigger than what we see. Now you're gonna wanna pour the beads in of this hair in my slime now. There's gonna be hair in my slime. Well, that's okay. So now, don't even, unless you want to, I think it's harder when the spoons are in there. But now you're going to add some contact solution. I hope this works, because if it doesn't work, I'm going to have to throw this somewhere. I'm going to make this a fluffy slime, so I'm adding a real lot of shaving cream. And now I'm going to mix it. If I were you, I would add like a half, if you say that you use like a half cup of glue, I would add like a half cup of, if I were you, I would add like, wait, that's home, but just get the crap out of me.
You think it's summertime?
Yep. Push this forward because I'm about to take it out and I don't want to get this on my blanket, so good. You know. Okay, now I'm going to take off my ring real quick. We're going to, oh, this is so cool. Oh my god, I hope you stay in. This is so cool. This is my first time making this. I wish I kind of kept those beads now. I want to make so much of this. Oh my god, that feels so nice, guys. You guys, oh my god. It feels so nice. And it's so cool too because it's colorful. And they don't really fall out that easily either because it's obviously because it's slime. You know? It's not going to fall out that easily. They are definitely going to fall out, but not that easily. Because, they're kind of stuck inside of the slime. But that's so cool. That's it for my video today, guys. Bye.